Data-driven companies are 6 times more profitable. Yet, only 40% of companies plan to increase data-driven marketing. Want to create a data-driven campaign in minutes? Copilot takes insights from your customer profiles and proposes journeys that will excite them. Plus content for each stage of that journey. You can quickly make changes and take your campaign from concept to launch in hours. As customers interact, their profiles are updated. And new insights are used to personalize future experiences. To get excited, loyal customers like this video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below.